Hey YouTube, it's FlyersFan215 here. I wanted to show you the unboxing of my new Targus camera and slash camcorder tripod. So let's start. Here's all the features. It says there's a carrying case included. I'm not sure if that's true, but it says it extends over 4.5 feet and it folds to 23 inches. 3-way fluid pan head, quick release plate and leg locks, dual bubble level. There's a 5-pound load capacity, so it can hold 5 pounds. Rubber grip feet, and includes a carrying case, like it said. Here's just all the stuff it does, swivels, all that kind of stuff. Alright, let's get started. Put this down for a second, guys. Open this up. See my little open. Here we go. I'm back, guys. Put this down again for you. Yep, it does include a carrying case. It's right up at the top. It's actually in it right now. There we go. There's the box. Over there. This is what it looks like when it comes out. It looks like it has a little strap here to hold it. Here's a little zipper. Those zippers all the way down halfway, and then there's that. Holding this with one hand, guys, trying to do it, so please, I'm just trying to get a good view of it. So alright, so there's the carrying case. And put that over there for now. And here it is. It's in plastic, as you can see. There's the plastic, it's probably preventing it to get scratched. Here's the instructions on how to use it. No one ever does that stuff. There it is. That's trash. And there it is. Let me set it up for you guys. You see that? Yeah. Alright. Comes with the little it just looks like a little postcard kinda. It says the warranty and stuff like that. It says please complete and return this car within 10 days of purchase. Start this over here. Looks like you slide this through here and it's hooked up to this little arrow thing, so you just unhook it like this. Just wrapped around a couple times. Alright, so got that off. There that is. Alright, I'm going to hold it again, guys. Here it is. It actually came like this. So, what you want to do is just unfold it like this. Push down here. I'm not sure what that is. But, there you go. Hold down like that. Here's the name of it, Targus, up top. Just push this up like this. Swivels like that. Let's see, swivels like this. You can spin it around, up and down. Here's a little level, which is nice. Sees if it's level. You can push it like that, and now you can see the bubbles in the middle, which means it's a level. You push this up. Right here is where you hook up your camera to. And let's see, right here, what's this? I'll worry about that later. If you want to know what that is, just comment or leave me a message and I'll get back to you. Right here, you twist this, and this goes up there like this. It's nice. As you can see, it goes pretty high. I'll go right there. And next, you put this down. You can undo these like this, and so switch that. Let me do this, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Alright, and there it is, guys. Looks like it has a level up top too. Right there for this thing. But really nice. My friend Chris has it, so I had to get one, and this is the only one they had, so I decided to get it. There it is. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it helped out. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment or a message. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Comment and subscribe.